Good morning to all. Today I am going to tell about the recruitment in Dakshina Kannada Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited. That is DK Milk Union in Dakshina Kannada. So you can go for the website www.dkmul.com. So it has given the recruitment notification and the salary will be around 21k to 97k. So when you go to this website, go for the career option. So go for www.dkmul.com and then go for career option. So in this you will see this recruitment notification. So when you click on this link, you will get the notification, recruitment notification. So this is based on this recruitment will be this recruitment is based on ಸಹಾಯಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು MHIAI. So the salary will be for this job is around 52k to 97k, and this is the one of the best opportunity to apply. And the education qualification should be BVSC or BVSC and AH Padavidhararu. The graduate can apply for this position. DT Tantrika Adhikari, and the salary will be around 43k to 83k, and the education will be MSc in Food Technology and Central Food Technology. MSc in Food Technology will be more applicable for this job. And Tantrikadhikari means engineering, BE in environment and BE in chemical or MSc in environmental science graduate is can apply for this position, and the salary will be around 43k to 83k. So the electronic mechanic, for this position the salary will be around 21k to 42k. So there is also reservation for girls, that is category 2A and category 3A. The educational qualification should be SSLC. It's only SSLC fitter, and salary will be around 21 to 42k. The welder position, the salary will be around 21 to 42k. And the education qualification should be SSLC or engineering trade, ITI. Should have completed the 2 years of ITI in national trade certificate. It should be national trade certificate. Boiler. So for the position of this boiler, the salary will be around 21k to 42k. So for this also qualification is only SSLC is asked. SSLC certificate is asked, and should have the second grade boiler attendant certificate of competency. So this job will be more preferable for the girls. Should be, and the eligibility criteria, the candidate should be a citizen of India, should be healthy, and age criteria is from 18 years to 35 years. For whose age is around 18 to 35k, they can apply for this position. And this can also be given 2A, 2B, 3A. The age is extended up to 38 years, and for category 1 it's for 40 years. So the selection is based on the exam, the written exam, and the interview. you can apply for this position from tomorrow onwards, that is on 28 4 to 2021. That is from tomorrow onwards, you can apply for this position. Online application is there. So online arji sallisuva koneya dinanka, the last date for this application is 28. That is on May 28th is the last day for this application. To submit the online application, 28th is the last day.